There we go. Now it's just starting to it's very high for Ireland. I don't know, maybe I'm just feeling small today or something. Do you ever get that? You just feel small. Maybe it's because I'm walking around with such big, huge, massive projects. I bet you there's people in Dubai going, this is a massive project? No, dude, man, that's a corner block. This is a massive project, building an island and stuff like that. Oh, okay. Well, the smartest thing to do was just get out of his way. Because I technically was stupid there. Because I went walking on the road when there was a dedicated area to walk, so don't be blaming the driver on that one. That was all me. Then we have like another housing estate just there as well. So it's kind of being built up and changed, defined, redefined. We're going to walk back up this way a bit. Getting through these horrible things. Yeah, I don't know. Like, there's always sides to it, like, you know, developing nations. Well, I don't think we're not really a developing nation, we're already developed, but expanding, you're going to need apartments for people to live in. But I always have this thing, like, see the way all these apartments are being built, and they're building apartments all over the place. Everyone's technically got a house already. Yeah, they might be sharing it all, but it's got to get to the point where the construction work slows down because all the houses are filled, so the demand is gone. And then when those people probably return home, it opens up more available houses for rent or sale or whatever. And then that just creates a gap in the market and it just crashes the bubble. Like, I foreseen that one in 2008. It's just I hadn't got a clue what to do to, you know, cash out on it. I still don't have a clue what to do with cash out on it. So as you can see here, they're older. Well, I wouldn't say older, but they're more established. Then you have all this space here. So there'll be more apartment blocks when the rest are done. There is a train station that goes to here, but you can't get it from the city centre. Oh, let's go to the other side. I haven't done it yet, but I was going to do a walk around Croke Park. Oh yeah, and then also you'll have all this space as well. See, once all the places behind is done, all this space is just gonna, like, the retail value is just gonna shoot up. They already have a through road. You know, there's the road there that goes underneath this bridge. So you already have the through road. I don't know if you can make it out in the distance there. That's Croke Park. I think you can do like private tours of the place on weekends when the matches aren't on. And you can go up high up onto the thing. Now I don't know if that's something you can do or something I've just seen on Ireland's Fittest Family, which I will never be part of, as you can probably hear from my breathing. This road here leads to Sheriff Street, and we have a few more apartment blocks here. This is the train station I mentioned, but it's a weird line. I think one of the guys I work with said he will be getting this when we're moving into town, and he said it only stops at one or two places other than where he gets on. So it's a very weird line. Maybe it's future expansion, you know. So yeah, if you were staying out in one of those places in an Airbnb, this would be the way to get in here. And then again, another old-timey relic, rusted and decayed. And I'm not talking about myself.